Welcome back to Blackdog Performance Cars. Today we're taking a look at this 2015 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS, finished in Carrara white over a full black leather interior. Over here in the back, we have a 3.8 liter naturally aspirated flat six. This is actually the last naturally aspirated 911 GTS, with this being a 991.1. The only modification on this car is the AWE switch path exhaust that retains the factory valve functionality. Coming over to the interior, we have a full leather dash, leather door cards, brushed aluminum trim on the cup holders, as well as on the doors. We have the lightning quick Porsche PDK transmission, Sport and Sport Plus modes, dampening control, and the factory valve function, which is retained by the AWE switch path. Looking up, we also have a full Alcantara headliner along with a sliding moonroof. You can find this car at Blackdog Performance Cars in Lincolnshire, Illinois, or at blackdogcars.com.